Everyone told me to hurry, but nobody warned me that moving fast could destroy everything. Everyone told me to hurry, too slow, too careful, but nobody warned me that moving fast could destroy everything I was building. This decision almost cost me my future. Everywhere I looked, people were winning, friends celebrating, success flashing on social media, and there I was, feeling left behind. I thought maybe moving faster was the answer. Maybe if I rushed, I could catch up. So I started believing the lie that speed equals success. I made fast decisions, skipped learning, ignored warning signs. But the faster I moved, the more confused I became. I wasn't progressing, I was just moving. One day, I stopped. Not because I quit, but because I was tired of failing fast. I asked myself the hard question: am I moving because it's right, or because I'm scared of being left behind? And in that moment, I already knew the answer. I chose patience over pressure, learning over shortcuts, direction over speed. I started moving slower, but every step made sense. I wasn't anxious anymore. I wasn't chasing. I was building. Looking back, I realized something powerful. Those who rushed either burned out or started over. Those who moved correctly, they lasted. They understood life isn't a race, it's a direction. If you're watching this and you feel behind, don't move fast to impress people. Move correctly to protect your future. The moral of this video is don't rush because of pressure. Move at the right pace, with purpose, and understanding speed without direction can destroy what patience is building. Progress isn't about speed, it's about direction and intention. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more meaningful content.